How much does class size matter for SAT prep? Answer, very little. What is important is the selection of students by incoming abilities and grouping them together. We do this at Ivy Bound when possible. When there's enough students to make 2 classes, we do that so that students who are in need of taking it slower are in a group that they're not intimidated by kids who are already really strong, really accomplished. They can go at their own pace without feeling like they're holding others back or they're going to be made fun of. And students who deserve to move faster, deal with higher level questions right at the outset, they have that, and they're not going to be held back by a teacher that needs to cater to a much slower, deliberate pace. So the segmentation, really important. And parents, you have the ability to make that segmentation if you decide to do a form your own class. We're all for it. We like teaching the kids that you want to have grouped together. So maybe you have your child certain pace and you know there's somebody in the neighborhood, friends, but not at the same level. We could group that student with others, friends or classmates who are at that level while your child has her friends together at her level. And here's why a big class shouldn't be daunting. It's not problematic at all. In some ways, a large class, again, people of similar abilities, but large, is actually really beneficial. There are students, pretty naturally, most of us, we kind of like to hide, slink back, not be on the spot very often. Well, when it's just a small class of 4 or 5 kids, you're going to be on the spot because our teachers do want to hear from you, and we do it close to round robin fashion. In a large class, well, it's going to be less frequent. We've got a lot of kids to talk to. Now, you're never off the hook, though, because that teacher might be going to you for one question, and then going to her for the next question, and then back to you. You're on. And maybe you've done well with 2 questions in a row. Your name is Chris, and now we will say, Chris, I'm staying with you. 3rd try. Chris gets it right again. Chris, number 4. Can you go 4 for 4? Chris comes through. 5 in a row, Chris. This would be great. And if Chris comes through, Chris is then done. Chris is a 5-time Jeopardy champion. Retired. We can talk to other people. Chris can rest easy. And hopefully everyone is learning from it with a little bit of gamesmanship along the way. That's what you can expect of some Ivy Bound classes. Parents, if you want to see how Ivy Bound classes operate, we allow that. It's a beam in via Zoom. Whether it's a face-to-face class or another Zoom class, we let you beam in from where you are. We do this throughout the summer every Monday morning. Actually, every other Monday morning. So join us. See if it's for you. Your kid can join us too. And then decide. Hopefully do it earlier rather than later so that there are classes remaining in the summer that you can take advantage of. Thanks for listening here. I'm Mark Greenstein for Ivy Bound.